प्योर हाउस ऑफ द ईयर की ट्रॉफी जाती है स्वामी विद्यानंद आश्रम को। मैं स्वामी विद्यानंद आश्रम से सुश्री ज्योति शर्मा और सुश्री सोनिका जी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वो आए और अपने हाउस के लिए ट्रॉफी ग्रहण करें। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए दर्शकों से। ये हमारे बच्चों के साल भर की मेहनत का नतीजा है। यह ट्रॉफी विद्यानंद आश्रम के कई बच्चों की कड़ी मेहनत, अथक प्रयास, विभिन्न गतिविधियों में उनके आगे रहने की वजह से विद्यानंद आश्रम को मिली है। From Swami Sachidanand Ashram. Please give her a big hand. Well done, Anjali. Round of applause for Vidyanand Ashram. For inter-house table tennis competition, the winner is Swami Vidyanand Ashram. And again, I would request Miss Sonika to come and accept the trophy on behalf of her house. A huge round of applause for Vidyanand Ashram. And for inter-house football competition, the winner is Swami Yogananda Ashram. I will request Miss Nisha and Miss Anika Rana to please receive the award along with their students Anuj, Shaurya, Dharya, Parth. Congratulations Yogananda Ashram for winning inter-house football competition trophy. A huge round of applause for Yogananda Ashram. The winner of inter-house volleyball competition is Swami Vidyanand Ashram. I would invite Jitendra sir and Priya madam to receive the award on the behalf of their house, and I would also request Parth, Viren, Piyush, Aditya to receive the award for their house. Congratulations winners. Now, for the annual athletics of session 2019 and 20, the winner is Swami Sachidananda Ashram. And I would request Miss Shivani and Miss Banti to come and receive the award on behalf of their house. Along with them, I would also request Ashish, Rohan, Puneet, Mohit, Adarsh, Shaurya and Chanchal, who contributed to the winning of their house. Congratulations, winners. Hip hip hooray for Sachidanand Ashram. आपका कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद स्वामी जी। हमारे छात्र आपके कर कमलों द्वारा पुरस्कार प्राप्त कर अनुग्रहित हुए। The competition from the junior wing is Manan of class 4 from Swami Yogananda Ashram. The winner of English storytelling competition from the primary wing is Nandini Shri Reddy of class 3 from Swami Sachidananda Ashram. Congratulations, winner of Indian House. Sanskrit Shloka recitation competition is Kanishka Joshi of class 5 from Swami Sachidananda Ashram. The winner of Inter-House drawing competition from the junior wing is Khushbu Yadav of class 6 from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. The winner of inter-house drawing competition from the senior wing is Chitesh Yadav of class 8 from Swami Sachidanand Ashram. The winner of inter-house drawing competition girls is Charvi Seni of class 8 from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. The winner of Master 26 oral competition from the primary wing is Aryaman of class 3 from Swami Sachidanand Ashram. Please keep applauding their audience. The winner of Junior Master 26 Oral is Anjali Yadav of class 6 from Swami Sachidanand Ashram. The winner of Master 26 Oral from the senior wing is Hanshika Yadav of class 10 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. I would now request Professor Sir to please say a few words of encouragement. Professor Ravi Chattopadhyay is a professor from IIT Delhi, and I'm sure his encouraging words would bless us all. From Swami Vivekanand Ashram and Dhani Sharma, class 3 from Swami Yoganand Ashram. Congratulations Kavya and Dhani. Inter-house Hindi debate competition for the senior wing. The winner is Parth Chauhan of class 8 from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. Audience, our children need your clapping. Please keep clapping. Inter-house Hindi extempore primary wing. The winner is Khushi Yadav of class 3 from Swami Yoganand Ashram. Inter-house English or Hindi poem recitation competition. For English poem recitation, the winner is Tanmay Yadav of class 5th from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. Please keep clapping, keep applauding for our winners. Inter-house Hindi poem recitation, the winner is Vedantika Sati of class 6 from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. Congratulations Tanmay and Vedantika. Thank you sir. Inter-house Hindi storytelling competition from the primary wing, the winner is Divyanshi from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. Please give her a big hand, audience. Congratulations, Divyanshi. Inter-house English poem recitation primary wing. The winner is Manangan of class 2nd from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. Please motivate her with your claps. Congratulations, Manangan. The winner of Inter-house English poem recitation winner is Aditya Mishra of class 8 from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. A huge round of applause for him, please. The winner of Inter-house Hindi poem recitation competition is Megha Chauhan of class 7 from Swami Vivekanand Ashram. We also conducted fancy dress competition for our pre-primary students. The winner of this competition are Rohan Yadav from nursery, Navya of LKG and Shrestha Panigrahini from UKG. their parents, सब आप ही के बच्चे हैं। आपका प्रोत्साहन उनके लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। Congratulations, Rohan, Navya and Shrestha. The winner of fancy dress competition from the primary wing are Jia Yadav of class 1 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. A huge applause for her. Congratulations, Jia. From class 2, the winner is Mridul Pratap Singh from your Swami Vivekananda Ashram. From class 3, the winner of fancy dress competition is Nandini Shri from Swami Sachidanand Ashram. Congratulations, Nandini. Thank you, Swamiji. The winner of Inter-House Chess Competition is Swami Vivekananda Ashram. For receiving the award for Swami Vivekananda Ashram, Rohan from class 3 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram, Dipanshu Raghav, class 5 Swami Vivekananda Ashram, Parth Chauhan of class 8 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram, and Megha Chauhan of class 7 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. These are the winners of Inter-House Chess Competition. And the winner house is Swami Vivekananda Ashram. The winner of Inter-House Carom Competition is Swami Vivekananda Ashram. The students from the Vivekananda Ashram are from the junior boys category. It is Dipanshu Raghav of class 5 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. Inter-House Carom Competition senior boys category is Piyush from class 7 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. Winner of Inter-House Carom Competition girls junior category is Vedantika Sati of class 6 from Vivekananda Ashram. Winner of Inter-House Carom Competition senior girls is Chanchal Yadav of class 10 from Swami Sachidananda Ashram. The winner of Inter-House Table Tennis Competition from the junior is Bharat of class 5 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. Winner of Inter-House Table Tennis Competition from the senior wing is Aditya Saini of class 9 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. And now, to receive the award for Inter-House Chess Competition for their house is, I would request Miss Kavita to please come and collect their house award for Inter-House Chess Competition along with their children. From Swami Vivekananda Ashram. Please give them a huge round of applause. The winner is Swami Vivekananda Ashram. receive the award for their house, the awards to our talented students. The winner of Big Brain Inter-House GK Quiz Competition is Umesh of Class 8 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. Please keep applauding the audience. The winner of Big Brain Inter-House GK Competition is Arnav Singh Gehlot of Class 6. May we have a huge round of applause for them? The winner of Big Brain Inter-House GK Quiz Competition from Class 9 is Mayank Bodwal from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. The winner of Big Brain Inter-House GK Quiz Competition is Dharamjeet of Class 9 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. हमारे प्रतिभाशाली छात्र न केवल विद्यालय स्तर पर बेहतर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, बल्कि वह राज्य स्तर पर भी हमारे विद्यालय का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं। तो अब हम उन छात्रों को भी पुरस्कृत करेंगे। मैं हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट श्री अरूप चटर्जी से, जो कि सिक्किम ब्रांच नाइलेज के मुखिया हैं, उनसे अनुरोध करूंगी कि वो हमारे इंटर स्टेट एथलेटिक्स में विनर्स को पुरस्कृत करें। इंटर स्टेट लॉन्ग जंप अंडर 11 कैटेगरी के विजेता हैं दक्ष शर्मा ऑफ क्लास 6 फ्रॉम स्वामी योगानंद आश्रम। ये हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत गर्व का बात है कि वो राज्य स्तर पर पुरस्कृत हो रहे हैं और हमें तालियां भी उसी हिसाब से मिलनी चाहिए। द विनर ऑफ 400 मीटर रेस in interstate athletics competition is Dhruvraj Chauhan of class 5 from Swami Vivekananda Ashram. Please audience, a huge round of applause. तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से गुंजायमान कर दीजिए हमारे स्कूल के प्रांगण को। धन्यवाद सर, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे बीच आने के लिए और हमें अनुग्रहित करने के लिए।